So it became apparent to me that we might not know how to use a Google Calendar or how to accept one. So on that email I sent you, it says John Dorn has shared a calendar with you. Click on Add this calendar. And then you will go to your calendar page. On the left side, you'll probably have a slew of calendars over here. You know you can get rid of them. You can either just straight up unsubscribe from it, okay, or if you click on this, you can hide from list to make it a little more manageable for you. Either one will work for you. But you're going to look for homeroom meetings over here. That makes a difference when you're trying to add something to that calendar. So let's say I want to have a meeting on Tuesday, August 27th. I'm going to put student council, location, lunchroom, and then I will put down 17 students. So name of your group, location, number of students approximately, and then down here where you're saving it to a specific calendar. So click on that calendar, find homeroom meetings. So I'm saving student council, lunchroom, 17 students to the homeroom meetings calendar. Make sure you change this guy right here and then click save and it'll show up for you. So I think that should do it for you. So we already got a couple on there. So click on the invitation link, go to calendars, find homeroom meetings, make sure it's there. But then when you are adding a date, remember Tuesdays and Thursdays, you need to save it to homeroom meetings. All right, hope that works for you.